This very sexy man is 1 month out from a Rhinophyma reduction. How long were you experiencing the Rhinophyma problems?
Probably 15 years.
Wow. And your nose just got bigger and bigger?
Yes.
You tried medical therapy with a dermatologist?
Yes.
And no success?
Correct.
Good. But we really were able to knock it out with the
Yes.
surgery. Are you happy with the results?
Totally pleased.
Very good. And then also you couldn't breathe either because, right?
Correct.
And I was saying that there's a chance that just shaving down the nose would not be able to fix that, but you're able to breathe.
That is correct.
That is awesome. And there's a little bit of redness still left to the nose. It's not quite 100% healed at a month, but the nose is smooth now, looks better, and we'll show you some before and afters, but he can also breathe, which is exciting.
Yes.
Awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you.